Everybody athletes, USA, USA, USA. And you walk out, there's 100,000 people. Then you walk, that's pretty cool.
Day 20, that's Doc Curry, reporting live from the Bird's Nest, Beijing, China.
The Bird's Nest is huge. TV does not do it justice.
At the Bird's Nest, BYMCMB, Birdman.
The design of it, I'm still wondering who thought of the design like that. I mean, it's tough. I like it.
Nah, it's crazy. Look at it. Look at the turn. About to go to the sugar cube.
That's tough right there.
That's what Michael Phelps got his
big water cube.
He had 8 or 9.
Yeah, it's like a big fish tank, man. Look.
Oh, look like a size 7.
You know, we were on the swim team for 6 years, right?
Where at?
Warsaw, Indiana, the Warsaw Sharks.
Home of Michael Phelps. Just call it the Phelps cube. That's what I call it.
Water cube. It's crazy, man. It's where the Olympics went down. It's where Michael Phelps put that money in.
Who's the fastest swimmer on the team?
Alex Murphy himself. The great Alex Murphy.
I've been accustomed to beaches and water my whole life. Living up north, man, the beaches and the water. So I have to give myself the edge.
How about the sprinting?
Sprinting? Yeah, Marshall probably.
You're good with
Marshall.
12? Yeah, I think
you guys don't believe it, but Marshall's stride is ridiculous.
And he would just like somehow go harder than everybody.
Yeah, Marshall's engine never stops.
It's crazy. I feel greatness in the air. I mean, Michael Phelps did his thing out here.
How long could you hang with Michael Phelps in the water?
Not long, man. He a fish. It's like a big fish tank in here, and he right at home.
They put me and Michael Phelps together. I say right off the push start, I'll be done. He'll be probably on his second lap. I'll be halfway.
How long could you hang with Michael Phelps in this pool?
Off the diving board till we hit the water.
Man, shout out to Michael Phelps.
Just left the Bird's Nest and Water Cube. Now it's off to practice. We'll shoot around for this game tonight.